Okay, let's see this rhythm, how it sounds like that. So you can practice this rhythm, for example, on top of the song Birds of a Feather of Billie Eilish. Let's see the basic sounds of the rhythm. The basic sounds are bass, medium, medium, bass, high, medium, bass, medium, 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 bass, medium, high, medium, medium, medium. Let's see with different velocities how it sounds. Sounds like that is. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this instrument, the cajon, and how to play it, or if you want to learn more about percussion in general and how to play different instruments of percussion and how the different instruments connect, you can see different of my courses in the description. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy.